What's up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to remove someone from WhatsApp group. So to do that, let's head over to our WhatsApp application. And once you're there, just head over to any group. And in here, make sure you are the admin or one of the admins of that specific group so that you can remove someone from that group. But if you are not an admin of that specific group, you can't just remove anyone from a group. So let's head over to the three lines icon and go to group info. Here you can see there are members. So if I want to remove a member, I will keep tapped on them. And here you will find the option of remove that specific person's name. And if you tap on that, that person will be removed from that specific group. So yeah, because I just don't want to remove that person. I'm not tapping on remove that. So if you want to remove that specific person, keep tapped on it and just tap on remove. So yeah, this is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.